In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make coloring pages in Canva for low-content book publishing. We'll keep this simple, clear, and fast so you can go from a blank canvas to a printable PDF with confidence. Start by opening Canva in your browser. You can use a free or paid account. Both work for this. Once you're in, go to Create a Design and choose Custom Size. For most coloring books, 8.5 by 11 inches is a great choice since it matches standard US letter. Make sure the units are set to inches, then type in 8.5 for width and 11 for height. Click Create, and you'll have a clean page to work on. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left. Under Graphics, search for line art or coloring. You can type keywords like animals, flowers, or mandalas, then refine by selecting styles that are labeled line art or coloring. Look for designs with bold, clean outlines and minimal shading. These print best and are easiest to color. If you want to stay within free assets, use the filter to show only free graphics. Drag and drop your chosen graphics onto the canvas. Resize them by pulling from the corners so proportions stay balanced, and move them around until they feel centered and pleasing. Use Canva's alignment guides to center your design horizontally and vertically. If you're combining multiple graphics, keep them evenly spaced and leave generous margins so nothing gets cut off during printing. You can use the position options to align or distribute elements neatly, and group them if you want them to move together. If you'd like a more polished look, add a border or frame. A simple way is to insert a rectangle, set the fill to transparent, and increase the border weight for a clean outline. Keep the border inside the safe area, especially if your book will be bound. Before exporting, preview your page. Zoom in to 100% or more to check that the lines are crisp, the design is balanced, and there are no stray elements. Make sure the background is plain white and that line thickness is consistent across the page. When you're happy, click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose PDF Print for the highest quality. This is the preferred format for publishing platforms because it preserves sharp lines. If your printer or platform requires bleed and you designed for it, enable bleed, otherwise you can leave it off. Download your file and you're ready to upload it to your low-content book project. And that's it. That's how you make coloring pages in Canva for low-content books. Thanks for watching.